Hello and welcome to Goldfield, Nevada. Home of Goldfield Fireworks and so much more. So let's start exploring. Goldie the Burro welcomes you to Goldfield Fireworks, and so do we. Let's get shopping.
Our store is packed full of amazing fireworks from awesome brands. All of our fireworks are shown on our website with prices. Once we set a price, it is good until the end of the year. Our inventory cycles fast, so we invite you to visit goldfieldfireworks.com to see our current stock. We update our website as needed, so you always know what is in stock. There is no paperwork nor permit required in Esmeralda County, so buying here is hassle-free. If you have any questions, please call or text us at 775-277-9284. We always enjoy hearing from you.
So now that you're done shopping, check out our little town. It has a lot of unique places to visit and things to see. One of those being the Fe Saloon, in business since 1905. Next, the Goldfield Hotel, internationally known for being haunted. Come check it out if you got the flaming balls. Goldfield does have a very unique cemetery. Back in the early 1900s, they would write on the headstones how people died. One poor man died by eating library paste. These art cars are early Burning Man. These world-renowned graffitied vehicles standing in the dirt are known as the International Car Forest of the Last Church, also located here in Goldfield, Nevada. Come on over and look at the art. The wild burros roam the streets of Goldfield. I would not try to pet them, but they are a great sight. This is Alkali Hot Springs, a short distance from Goldfield, where you can go and relax and enjoy the views and the vast openness. You'll also be able to witness, hopefully while you are there, the wildlife coming down to drink from the ponds at Alkali. As we said earlier, Goldfield is a unique town. So now it is time